You just have to fucking slice him open. Bless you.
Thank you.
I don't think I've ever heard you sneeze.
Really?
Yeah.
Now you have. Now everyone has.
But, I mean, it's like whatever. But, oh, bless you. It's gonna get re-released on Steam pretty soon. Because people are gonna demand.
Speaking of phone to get in, how long can... Excuse me.
I didn't spawn. It's just a thing. We're both actually very nice people.
Excuse me. Are those poles just floating there?
Yeah. Well, welcome to video games, Dan.
Okay.
There's a fifth wall.
That's called the roof.
It loops back into the fourth wall.
Oh my god, I'm sneezing.
You okay, dude? Like everybody knows.
Excuse me.
They're all scared.
Excuse me.
God bless you, Dan.
Thank you.
Every one of you. I'm not saying you have animosity. I'm just saying there is animosity.
Oh, is there?
It's a blind playthrough for those of you.
We're Clyde and Clyde.
I don't want this one. That was actually disgusting.
Now you can either power up your buster, or you can slow down time. And feeling up trees.
Oh god. Oh no. Okay, we're good.
Oh, it's so frothy.
Nice and frothy.
Wait, I can actually do this because I'm about to sneeze. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Nice.
Thank you.
You want to start the pretty committee with me?
I'd love to.
Yeah? I'm taking
God,
numbers.
Man. Here's what I don't understand. Weren't he and Amy under control of the things for a minute there? Like the... Oh god. Oh god.
Blow your fucking nose.
I can't, there's nothing to blow.
And then this guy down here is like, Jason. And then this guy's like, Jason.
Oh, sorry. Bless you, Dan.
Who got the vibe? It's a giant.
Oh, she's going fucking nuts. Dude, she's going nuts.
Oh god, half moon.
Can't wait. Whoa.
I guarantee we're gonna lose to him.
Holy.
Nope. Nothing happens. What about?
Gotta sneeze.
Dude, God bless your soul.
Thank you. I think God has better things to do, honestly. Try see you later and let's save real quick.
Been pulling pranks. I don't know what the grip means. I'm just gonna tilt it. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Well, got a wooden shield. Yeah. Thanks.
Oh god.
Oh, God bless your soul, Dan.
Thank you. And make sure. Oh god.
Use your big dumb hard head.
Uh-oh. Huh?
Bless you.
Oh, okay.
That's correct. Binge pipe employee.
Excuse me.
It's
okay, at least none got on me. That's strike two, Dan.
I blame her.
Like, hey, none got on me this time.
Oh, where you could turn into tanks, and I was like, where's the last thing? And I was like, fuck it, and left.
Yes, I do remember.
I know where the last thing is.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
I remembered.
Oh, well, fun. I'm gonna toss it extra hard when you way up and out.
Bless God bless your
Sorry,
soul.
I shouldn't have done that right to the mic.
Trying to add all these bless you.
Is sneezing an
God
emotion?
bless your soul. Oh, infinite. Shot his. Oh, Gesundheit.
Thank you. It's okay, God can bless me, you can say it. Howdy, bucko. Can I, Oh, goodness. Howdy, bucko.
All he wants, but I'm gonna quick pick her when it actually gets to the game. So fuck
Oh.
that shit.
Oh my god. Time for double. Oh god. Laser sword. Action. Woo!
Just got so excited, dude.
I don't know, how would I know?
Where am I?
Wait. Oh, dang. Okay.
Changes take effect when the game starts. Oversee your kill limit, oversee your recharge time. Okay, so what kind of a crown you get depends on your score. True crown goes for gold crowns. Like, now I'm the tree. Hello, friend.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I can't get this.
Come over here.
Person?
I'm not like super familiar with
The names and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not gonna kiss. I'm not gonna kiss, I'm just gonna get the pills.
Excuse me.
Kiss pills. Woo! Dan, you know that's true.
Thank you.
I would never not say that you're funny. You're the funniest man I know.
Oh, that was an appreciation sneeze.
And it's why don't we just use him?
You.
Oh, Gesundheit, bro.
Thank you. That was a false one followed by the real deal. This ghost keeps saying Z out loud repeatedly. Pretend he's.
Move it with force. In the 23 years I've known him, it's usually been. Good lord, Daniel.
Excuse me, that one caught me off guard.
My goodness.
I'm okay.
And
Bless you.
thanks, man. Is it that easy?
But didn't you swing your sword at it?
No, I don't think so. Did I?
I believe nothing happened.
Getting dripped on. Hold on. Okay.
Bless you.
I do.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
No, my dad. Bless you.
Just talking about. I do. That sneeze killed me.
Here,
I gotta sneeze.
bless you.
Okay.
Here we go. That's very sweet. I'll let him know when he gets back. Excuse me.
From Powban's app. Huh?
God bless.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
I did not do that.
Tell you what, I'm just gonna.
Baby powder?
I'll never tell. Smells like disease.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gesundheit.
Oh, thank you.
Just gonna get all upset.
Yeah. Bless you. Bless you. She sounds smart. I thought it said Jesus. Will you answer the call? Yes.
Look at us go. Look at
Yes.
us cheat. 9,999,999 and 1. Gesundheit.
That's disease.
You see me use all these techniques right now? 'Cause
Excuse me.
That's what's happening.
Welcome back to Toilet Princess.
Boy, lit.
I've.
Whoa,
Excuse
you
me.
all right there?
Yeah, I'm
buddy?
all right.
It's Tucker. All right, Tucker, I got you. And this clearly has more holes than is unavailable on. Gesundheit.
Thank you, Andres. And only Andres. What? Oh! Oh god, that made me sneeze!
This isn't so hard.
Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, it's kind of weird, right?
Yeah. It's pretty stupid. Anyway, that's my opinion of Star Trek. Go see it in theaters now.
Yeah.
Wasted all that time and forgot that's what I did on the Yoshi stage. You know what I'm saying? Gesundheit.
Thank you. Damn you, Otto!
Sure you don't want that Claritin?
Yeah, seriously.
All right. Hey there, not Chet.
Bless you.
I would,
Perhaps you feel you are now.
He is my best friend.
He has 2 tentacles.
An ice cream sundae.
Put some facts about
Bless you. Sorry.
A Holly doll!
Sorry, I'm allergic to cuteness.
Also, I'm using Lawrence Taylor, who was. Bless you. He was,
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, you only needed one?
Yeah.
That could not have been real.
That was a real sneeze, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Where you...
You killed me, bro! You killed me!
Alright, see ya. That's cool. Look, whoa.
Oh, man.
God bless your
That
soul.
sneeze had been working, like, its way up my nose for, like, 10 seconds. Right.
See. That was it.
Go on.
You took the words right out of my mouth. Am I leaving? Oh, I'm using the key on the door.
Yes. What is the name of that story where the guy turns into a cockroach?
What?
Next time on fucking garbagey ass, fucking stupid ass, fucking Game Grumps.
Is that what I should change the name of the show to?
Oh god, that's my body rejecting the bullshit of that loss.
You know, I never really thought about that.
What is my motivation? Excuse me.
Whoa, God bless your soul.
Oh god. My whole face hurts after that. God, you sound sarcastic.
Hold on. And I got the time. Dang, dude. God bless your soul.
Jesus. You can just fucking tell me what you mean.
Sorry, I meant in the next room, 2 rooms over.
Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just playing it safe, and I'm having. Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry.
I'm just having a quick.
I can just pop it over the edge, dude. Not interested in you. Nope. No means no.
Got it.
And no.
Oh, god damn it, I was sneezing.
I'm I guess technically bless you. Bless you again.
Thank you.
Wait, so God bless your soul.
Thank you.
So oh shit.
Fuck. Oh god.
God bless you.
Oh, thank you. Okay. And straight ahead.
Fuck, I can go through. Alright, so check this. You go ahead and fight him, I'll watch.
God. Sorry, I was sneezing. I'm coming for you, Elizabeth!
Oh,
It's the big one.
Gazoon tight.
Thank you. That one didn't fully form.
Why are you so sneezy?
I don't know. I'm allergic to awesome gameplay.
What if Hey, welcome back to Steam Train. Hold on. Okay, welcome back to Steam Train. And now he's back.
Yeah.
I fucking sneezed.
Bless you. Can you kill him if you throw stuff?
Maybe there's a sign that says it early on or something.
Excuse me.
Okay, where the fuck is here?
Oh, I see.
But I wanna
Bless you.
I wanna have high endurance. It's on bit.
Bless you. Oh
Thank
my
you.
god.
You're gonna get hit by him.
Oh yeah, maybe.
There's always the chance. Sidekicks.
Oh. Bless you.
Thank you.
The names and stuff.
Yeah, but
Excuse me.
God bless you. God bless your soul.
Oh, my body's rejecting your patheticness.